Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another plan with me. And this week I am planning for the week of March the 7th through March the 30th in my Erin Condren hourly. I'm using some stickers that I made on Cricut Design Space. I was experimenting looking for patterns in Cricut Design Space, and I found this camo print. Camo print is my all-time favorite print. I like the green and the brown. I like the black and gray. Whatever color camo they come up with, pink. I love anything camo. So I decided that I would make a kit with that. So I'll go ahead and start. And then I also did some tweaking on my, my days of the week labels. So I'm going to see if they fit and how they fit. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so I'll start out by putting down my washi and my date covers and cross my fingers that they fit correctly. I was looking up some YouTube videos on how to measure and lay out the date covers, and I found a couple, so I'm just gonna see if they work. I also this time did some numbers, so I'm gonna put down the numbers. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday went pretty well. And the numbers fit perfectly in the circle. All right. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. I hit the camera. All right. So Thursday through Sunday is the true test. So we'll see how these fit. By golly, they fit pretty good. All right, so that worked out. So I can keep this template because in my previous one, my Friday, Saturday, and Sunday was kind of off. So I redid it, and this works out perfectly for me. I'm still in the process of learning silhouette. I don't have as much time as I would like to dedicate to it. So I'm still working on that. Now I'm going to lay down my bottom washi. I am in love with this camo print. They have some other color camo prints in there I might try out later. Sorry if my camera's kind of shaky. So maybe in a future kit I will do the black and gray cami. So I got all of that down. So now I guess I'll go ahead and do my weekend banner. So I'm gonna wipe that out. So next I'm going to do my water trackers. I've decided to track my water more so during the week than on the weekends. I do still drink water on the weekends, but I want to do most of my tracking during the week because I find that's when I drink less water during the week. I like water. I'm not sure why I have such a hard time drinking it. I'm not one of those people who needs flavored water. I just like plain water. But I'll drink some early in the morning, and then next thing I know, I'll look up and I haven't had any water for hours. So now I'm just going to lay down my work stickers. I work 12 to 6, Monday through Thursday, and then 9 to 2 on Fridays. I like getting off early on Friday so I can run my errands and get back home. And I especially don't like to be out during rush hour traffic on a Friday. So me getting off at 2 o'clock, I can go and get done what I need to get done and be back at home by 5. Thankfully, everything I have to do is all on the same road. I go see my chiropractor on Fridays. The grocery store is on the same road. If I have to go to Walmart or something, that's on a different road, but it's still only about 15 minutes away, I would say. It's not far at all. This little decorative box there. Then I'm going to put down this daily tracker here to track my online job that I do, track my hours, and do the script sticker. Okay. Let's see. Next, I'm going to lay down my YouTube icons for my sewing channel. I have been really slack on my sewing channel, and not on purpose. I suffer from sciatica, so anytime the sciatica flares up, I'm not able to do as many sewing videos as I would like to do. So I've been posting only 1 to 2 videos a week on my sewing YouTube channel, and I do like to post. I would love to post 5 days. So I want to build back up to that. I did go to the doctor, and we have a plan for this dreadful sciatica. So hopefully the plan works out and I'll start to feeling better and I can do more when it comes to my sewing channel, because I really, really love posting on my sewing channel. Right, lay down checklist on Saturday. Saturday is the day that I do most of the things that I need to do. I'm gonna lay down one on Sunday too in the afternoon, and this will help me kind of get ready for the week. All right, so I meal prep on Sundays. So let's see, I do planning on Sundays. A meal prep on Sundays. I didn't do any icons this time. May do them next time. I'm not sure why I didn't do them, but I don't know. I just felt like the script stickers would be enough. I also meal prep on either Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm gonna put it down on Wednesday. This time, and if I do it on Tuesday, that'll be fine. It won't hurt anything. I don't have a meeting this week. Of course, smoothie day is on Friday. One of my paydays should be, it should be around the 10th through the 13th. I get paid through PayPal on that job, so it could come any day. So I'm just gonna put it down for Friday. May not happen Friday, but it'll be there just in case it does. All right, so let's see. Trash day is also on Sundays. I'll put it down here. I have a girl here that I printed out, and she's drinking tea. Tea is my favorite thing to drink. I'm just gonna put her down on Monday. It's always good to do stuff on Monday that you enjoy because it's Monday. So I'll put her down. I usually put her down on Sundays, but I had already filled up my Sunday, so I'll put her down on Monday. I drink tea every morning. So laundry day is Saturday. I do my laundry on Saturdays. And I didn't do any laundry last Saturday, so I'm gonna be kind of filled up this Saturday or that Saturday or this Saturday or anyway. So exercise. So instead of doing my exercise in the mornings, the days are warming up now. So I'm going to put my exercise down about 10 because that's when it starts to warm up outside. I won't be able to do it Friday, so I'll do it Thursday because I'll be working at 10 on Friday. All right. I go grocery shopping on Sunday in order for me to do my meal prep. So I put some habit trackers down. I want to track journaling and reading. I got this new journal, and it's from the Happy Planner. So I'll do a video and I'll show you what it's all about. But if you know anything about Happy Planner and you've seen their happy notes, their guided journals, you know what I'm talking about. So I want to try to make sure I do that every day, trying to get my thoughts out, get my goals down, different things like that. See what goals I'm accomplishing on what days and what weeks and different things like that. So journaling and reading, I need to do way more reading. I have an audiobook app that I use called Scribd, and I've been mostly listening to celebrity type books. Like I'm almost finished with Michelle Williams' book, from the group Destiny's Child, and it's really good. It's called Checking In. She talks a lot about mental health and different things in the book and her life. And then I'm reading Gabrielle Union's second book. I think it's called You Got Anything Stronger. Her first book was We're Gonna Need More Wine, and I think this one is We're Gonna Need Something Stronger, I think. But I will say this, Gabrielle Union is an awesome storyteller. Like, you'll be so engrossed in her book because she describes everything so good. She talks about, in this particular book, she talks about having a surrogate for having her daughter. And she talked about, going through that and just some other funny stories about her life. She is a really, really good storyteller. But I also have some other books that I want to read. my audiobook app is full of stuff. So I want to read at least an hour a day of books that are more in the realm of being productive. So I want to do at least an hour a day on that. I can get this box down. There we go. All right, so I kind of messed up when I wrote reading. I have a script sticker. I think I'm going to put the script sticker on top of it. Yeah, that's better. Now I have to make one that says journal. So like I said, I don't have a meeting this week. We had our meeting last week. So some sewing time, because I want to get some sewing in during the week. I make clothes and bags, but I haven't really been making bags lately, and I'm really missing it. So I want to do some bag making. I did my training. So I had an IT training, and I also realized I had a sexual harassment training that I had to take. So I had some trainings to do during the week, but I got those done. I usually finish making my calls because part of my job I have to make calls to people. So I finished my calls, and after that I do my training. So hopefully no other trainings come up, but if they do, I'll put them down on this Thursday, because that sexual harassment one kind of snuck up on me, and I had no idea. They was like, you still have a chance to complete your training. And I was like, what training? So I'm just going to lay down this meeting sticker here. I have removable stickers. So I went to the doctor and we came up with a plan for my sciatica, but I also told her that I wanted to maintain my weight and also, eat healthier. So she signed me up for this weight management program. So they're supposed to contact me next week so we can set up a meeting for to talk about my goals and different things like that, with eating more, changing my lifestyle, eating more healthy, being more active, and things like that. So just going to lay that meeting sticker down there, and then whatever day we have that meeting, then I will put it on that day. All right. So that is it. I'm really loving this spread. I'm loving the camo print. I'm loving my girl with her drinking her tea, and then the pink kind of, she stands out with the pink. So I'm really, really enjoying this spread. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.